Hello student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazaar. Today we have to discuss on topic large numbers. Okay, and we have to solve some questions related from large numbers topic. So let's start without wasting our time. Let's come on question, that is exercise 1.1. That is exercise 1.1 and the questions are write the numbers. Write the numbers. You have to write the numbers. Okay. The first question is there are a block and a block. One block means 1000. So that is 1000 and there are 3 blocks of 100, that means 300, and 6 blocks of 10, that means 60, and 2 single blocks, that means 2. The number is 1362. That is ones, that is tens, that is 100, and that is 1000. So the number is 1362. Okay, in next there are 1 block of 1000. There are 1 block of 1000, so that is 1000, and there are 2 blocks of 100, that is 200, and there are no any blocks of tens, so there will be 0, and there are 7 single blocks of ones, that means the number is 1207. Okay, and the number is 1207. Okay, the next one is there are 3 blocks of 1000, that is 3000. Okay, question number 3rd, and there are two blocks of tens. There are no any blocks of 100 and 2 blocks of 10, and there are 5 blocks of ones. The number is 3025. 3025, and the number is 3025. Okay, and the next one is 3000. Question number 4. 3000, 0 hundred, 4 tens, and 6 ones. The number is 3046. Okay, the number is 3046, and this is ones, that is 10, that is 100, and that is 1000. Okay, the number is 3046. And the next question is 7000. Question number 5. 7000, 200, 0 tens, and 2 ones. The number is 7202. 7202. Okay, the number is 7202. Okay, and the next is question number 6, that is 4000 plus 100, 4000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, and this number is 4125. 4125, and the number is 4125. And the next one is 581. 5800 plus 80 plus 1. 5881 and the number is 5881. Okay, and the next question is, hello student, the next question is, now we have to solve count the beats and write a number. Here are next question, count the beats, count the beats and write the number. Count the beats and write the number. That is your next question of exercise 1.1. So let's start. There is first question. There is the abacus, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. There are 1 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beats. So the number is 1600. Okay, and the next is question number second. Question number second. There is an abacus, and there are 2 beats, and in ones there are 3 beats. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so the number will be 2003. That is 2003. Okay, and the next is there is abacus, and the next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what will be the number? That is 1, that is 10, that is 100, and that is 1000. The number will be 4, 2, 6, 5. That is the number is 4265. And the next question is, you have to draw correct number of beads on the abacus. Draw correct number of beads. Draw correct number of beads on the abacus. Number of beads on the abacus to show the number. Abacus to show the number. Okay, the question is, first question is 3419, and second question is 4038, and the third question is 7200. So let's draw abacus for this. Now that the number is 3419, that is the abacus. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In thousand there are 3 beats. In hundred there are 4 beats. And in tens there are 1 beats. And in ones there are 9 beats. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And the next is 4038. That is 4038. That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In thousand there are 4 beats. In tens there are no beats, and in ones there are 3 beats, and in ones there are 8 beats. Okay, and the next is 7200. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 200, 1, 2. And there are no bits in ones and tens. Okay. And now, thank you for watching the video. We will meet in with new topic in next video. Thanks for supporting.